Polidario from Team Negros. Serve, check by Villaluz. Attack, check by Magdato. Set by Polidario. Magdato attack, strong spike. Score. 3 serving 4. Change court switch. Polidario won a strong attack by Polidario. Second deadlock for all. Polidario check by Villaluz, set by Gamboa. Villaluz soft touch, check. Another chance ball for touch mobile. Strong attack by Gamboa. Player number 2, Gamboa of touch mobile. Gamboa. Service ace by Gamboa. Running score 6 serving 4. Gamboa again. This is the fight for third half. Kisay mo daw gani second runner up. Ang giawayan nila diri 50K and 30K. Check ball. Running score. Kana sir 7. 7 serving 5.
Kining mga bago mo ano. Kini sir nakadula naman. Kuning lagom na. Sarap naman. Kining bago pa ni.
Running score. Deadlock again. 7-all. Polidario. Serve. Check. Set by Villaluz. Gamboa. Attack. One a strong attack by Gamboa. Violation. That is double touch violation. Villaluz soft touch. Running score 10 serving 8. 2 points lead by Touch Mobile. Check by Villaluz, set by Gamboa. Running score 11 serving 8. 3 points lead by Touch Mobile. Villaluz again, player number 1. Check by Polidario, set by Magdato. Magdato Check by Gamboa. Set by Polidario. Gamboa. Running score, 12 serving 8. Warning for the court switch. Player number 1, Villaluz. Serve. Check by Polidario, set by Magdato. Polidario attack, strong. Outside. Change, court switch. Score. 12 serving, 9 serving 12. Player number 1, server for the Team Negros. Gamboa soft touch again. Score 13, serving 9. Player number 2 of Touch Mobile, Gamboa. Polidario long ball, that's on east side. Score 10 serving 13. 3 points lead by Touch Mobile. Magdato. Serve. Check by Villaluz. Buhi pa. Tara. Set. Block. Nalupig yun, nalupig. Oh, Bayong versus Karaan. Oh, na? Bayong versus Karaan. Running score, 11, serving 13. Magdato. Set by Gamboa. Villaluz, attack. Check by Gamboa. Score, 14, serving 11. Player number 1, Villaluz of Touch Mobile. Magdato, Polidario long ball. Score 12 serving 14. Okay, Polidario, player number 1 of Team Negros. Check by Villaluz, set by Gamboa. Attack outside. Running score, isa na lang. 13 serving 14. Villaluz, check by Polidario. Chance ball for the Touch Mobile. Gamboa, check by Magdato. Magdato tip. Buhay pa. Another deadlock. Okay, time out. Magdato. Villaluz, Gamboa attack. Oh, wa yung kaabot ang bukton ni Magdato. Atong score has 16-15 in favor of Touch Mobile. Inside is a service ace by Villaluz of Touch Mobile. Running score, 17, serving 15. Scoreboard. Villaluz again. Check by Polidario, Magdato. Long ball, check by Gamboa, set by Villaluz. Gamboa, long ball again. Chance for the Touch Mobile. Villaluz, check. Polidario! Oh, it's a net violation committed on Polidario. Score 18 serving 15. Timeout. Charge Mobile. Villaluz. Check by Polidario. Magdato. Polidario attack. Check. Villaluz. It's a check ball by Polidario. Running score 19. Serving 15. Player number 1. Villaluz of Touch Mobile. Serve, check, set by Magdato attack, check by Gamboa. Tip, para. Villaluz, soft touch. Buhay pa. Gamboa, strong attack, check by Polidario. Set. Another chance ball for Touch Mobile. Gara, check ball. It's a set point. Set point serving 15. Another. Okay, congratulations for the Touch Mobile winner for the first set. First set pa. Napay chance sa